Greetings! Welcome to FluenceGrid, the premier influencer marketing software designed to connect you with top influencers across Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok in any niche. This powerful tool enables you to secure SEO-sponsored post deals, driving targeted traffic, leads, and sales with ease. With just a few clicks, you can craft any offer of your choice, supported by an automated messaging system. Additionally, FluenceGrid provides the ability to track clicks sent by influencers directly to your website. Before we proceed with the demonstration, let's discuss why incorporating influencers into your online marketing strategy is essential. Influencers have cultivated strong, trusted relationships with their followers. When they endorse a product or service, their audience is more inclined to trust the recommendation, leading to higher conversion rates and increased brand awareness. Key drivers of customer acquisition. In essence, influencer marketing empowers savvy business owners and digital marketers to tap into the established credibility and authority of influencers, accelerating trust building and boosting sales. Let's explore the platform further. Welcome to the dashboard. This interface provides an overview of the integrated social media platforms: Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. Below, you'll find a chart displaying the acceptance and decline rates from influencers, allowing you to evaluate your campaign performance effectively. Let's move forward. I'll begin with YouTube to demonstrate how you can streamline your efforts for optimal results. Here's the YouTube interface, where you can search for and engage with influencers. On this screen, we have a filter feature to refine your search and pinpoint the ideal influencer for your needs. You can set a follower range, manually inputting minimum and maximum follower counts to align with your campaign goals. Next, you'll see an option to select an email account. This step is critical, as it enables the system to fetch influencers with verified email addresses, streamlining communication. You can also specify a topic or niche. Let's use digital marketing for this example, and select a country, such as the United States. Returning to the follower range, I'll set it between 500,000 and 1 million followers. Now, simply click the search button to begin. Please wait a moment as the system retrieves the results. Now that the search is complete, we've successfully retrieved our search results. Here, you can view a curated list of influencers tailored to digital marketing. The next step is to organize these influencers by adding them to a group. To do this, navigate to the sidebar and select Groups. This feature functions as a folder system, allowing you to categorize influencers based on specific topics or niches. As you can see, 2 groups have already been created. You have the flexibility to create as many groups as needed. Let's create a new one. I'll name it Digital Marketing and add a description, such as for digital marketers. Now, let's return to the YouTube section, where I've already identified my desired influencers. You'll notice a plus icon next to each influencer. Clicking this allows you to add them to the group you've just created. Additionally, you can view their names, tags, and even access their YouTube channels directly by clicking the link provided below their profiles. Let's proceed by adding one of these influencers to the Digital Marketing group. Here's the list of groups you've created. Select Digital Marketing and click Add to include the influencer in this category. Repeat this process for additional influencers as needed, adding as many as necessary to build your group effectively. The same procedure applies to Facebook. You'll notice the follower range options, minimum and maximum, along with a toggle for verified accounts. Ensure the email filter is enabled to streamline communication. Once the search results appear, simply add influencers to different groups or categories based on your strategy. Moving to Instagram, the process mirrors the others but includes additional features, such as searching by hashtags and selecting influencer categories to refine your targeting further. Now, let's explore TikTok. The workflow is similar to Instagram. Watch as I perform a search. Here are the results. Next, we'll proceed with adding or grouping them accordingly. Let's navigate to the Groups section via the sidebar. These are the groups we've created. Click on Digital Marketing to view the influencers listed in a clear, tabular format. Our next step is to retrieve their email addresses or leverage AI for further refinement. Click Get Email for the first influencer. Notice how their email is retrieved instantly. Let's try it with the second influencer. As you can see, this one has 3 email addresses, making it easy to reach out. You can repeat this for other influencers as needed. Once emails are collected, you can contact them using the Reach All Influencers button to send a general message to the group, or opt for one-on-one emails using the button below each influencer's profile. Before reaching out, however, we need to create a campaign. A campaign provides influencers with a clear understanding of your outreach purpose. Navigate to Campaigns on the sidebar and click Create Campaign at the top. Enter the campaign title, add a description, and set your budget. You can start as low as $10, but for this example, I'll input $20. We have a pool of up-and-coming influencers ready to work within your budget. Imagine placing your product or service in front of thousands of highly targeted prospects for mere pennies. That's the power of influencer marketing. Next, select the campaign's start and end dates. You'll also set an invitation date, which must precede the start date. Once your preferred dates are configured, click Create. Success! Your campaign is now live. Returning to the Groups section, let's send this campaign to one of our influencers. Open the campaign we just created. You'll see a default automated email template, which you can use as is or customize. Be cautious not to edit the unique link embedded in the template, as it's specific to each influencer. Scroll down, select the email address, and hit Send. The email has been sent successfully. To avoid spamming, I'll receive this email in my inbox, acting as the influencer for this demo. Checking my mailbox, here's what the influencer sees: a prompt to accept or decline the campaign. As the influencer, I'll click Accept. Once accepted, you'll receive a notification within the application, which you can view in the Notifications section. You can send campaigns to both up-and-coming and multiple influencers as needed. Now, let's head to the Responses page via the sidebar to further interact and finalize deals. Here, you'll see a table displaying influencer responses. Notice the acceptance status for our campaign. The Pending Contract label indicates we haven't yet formalized an agreement. You can engage directly using the automated chat system. Click the chat icon, type a message, and send. The influencer will receive an email notification with a link to reply, facilitating seamless communication. Next, let's create a contract. Click Create Contract and pay close attention. Input the URL of the website, application, or destination you want to drive traffic to. For this example, I'll use a sample website URL. Set the payment amount, let's say $25, add a description, and submit. Your contract is now created. You can cancel it if needed or view the details. In the contract view, you'll see the designated URL, the influencer's unique tracking URL, and a click counter. This tracking URL redirects to your site, allowing you to monitor traffic. You'll also see the payment amount, creation date, and description. Influencers can access this contract as well, fostering transparency. Returning to the Responses view, note that the contract status is updated to Deal and is marked as accepted. meaning it can no longer be deleted. Deletion is only possible if declined. Once the campaign starts, a live indicator will appear, and you can set reminders to stay on track. Finally, let's explore the Resellers view. This utility allows you to register other users within the platform, creating accounts for them directly in the application. That concludes our overview of FluenceGrid. I'm excited to see how this tool drives your success. Thank you for your attention, and I look forward to hearing about your achievements.